Trying to build a simple skincare routine that actually makes sense doesn't have to be complicated. If you want something affordable and easy to follow, here's a full morning and night routine using good molecules. In the morning, I start with the good molecules, hydrating facial cleansing gel. It's really gentle on the skin and cleans well without leaving my face feeling dry or stripped. Next, I go in with the good molecules niacinamide brightening toner. I like this step because it helps refresh my skin and gets it ready for everything I'm applying next. After that, I use the good molecules hyaluronic acid serum on damp skin. This step adds a nice layer of hydration and helps my skin feel soft and fresh. For my under eyes, I apply the Good Molecules Wake Up Eye Gel. It has a cooling feel, which I really like, and it also sits nicely under makeup. Then I finish my morning routine with the Good Molecules Lightweight Daily Moisturizer. It locks in the hydration without feeling heavy, which makes it great for everyday use. At night, I keep things simple and use a lot of the same products. I start again with the hydrating facial cleansing gel to wash away makeup, sunscreen, and all the buildup from the day. Then I follow with the niacinamide brightening toner to help rebalance my skin. After that, I apply the hyaluronic acid serum again for extra hydration. At night, this is also when I add the Good Molecules Gentle Retinol Cream. This step is great if you want a gentle treatment in your routine to help with the look of fine lines and uneven skin texture over time. And finally, I seal everything in with the lightweight daily moisturizer so my skin stays hydrated overnight. If you're looking for a skincare routine that feels simple, effective, and not overwhelming, this Good Molecules lineup is a really easy way to cover your basics: cleansing, hydration, and a gentle treatment step at night.